he himself has to be disciplined in saving the money and putting it across. That's what I mean.
Once it comes to a person taking decision,
Yeah.
and there we mess up. It's not like
Correct.
government jobs are better than the
Correct.
private jobs. It was nothing. It is
Correct.
government take initiative. In the private sector, they give you money. They say you are the boss. When they say you are the boss, we mess up most of the time. So 100% independence is also not a good idea. That was the point here in this case. It happened in that manner. So next, what went wrong is, again, as I said, we already discussed. Desai got more focused on the lifestyle and dream and aspiration. Go maybe first day went to a bank, bought a big real estate, start paying money 15, 20 years, a lot of other expenses. Things are moving great, looking that one day I will start, but by the time people think already 45 to 50, things are getting difficult. Social security system still remains the number one priority until they do it. It will never end until death. Trust me. Even at 60, we know today they are asking us, say, can I get an insurance for, no, because time has come for me to think about medical insurance, health insurance, long-term care insurance. There are around 100 types of insurances. I'm not waste my time here today and yours too. But people keep asking us for such schemes when it's becoming alarming to them. Otherwise, this is always an important goal of a life. What about you?
Even at 70, they ask.
Yeah, what about you now is a direct question to the participants rather going on ifs and buts. Are you supporting yourself or your employment as a pension? Are you with the social security? You give thumbs up to the social security, or you still think that that's again a government employee's job, not for us to think about it? So these are your these are the personal. I'm trying to tell, at a personal level, we need to really think that until you don't set aside the money which, had you been a government employee, they would have forced anyways that 25 to 30% from your income. Whereas you are thinking that this is my money and it's your choice to do it. That's where we go wrong, and we end up in paying a huge price in a life long run.
Correct.
My presentation is, that was just a thought process to you. Let's talk about a direct local example of the UAE. Let's say I put one name called Mr. Pablo Weiss, and this I mostly, every time I use this name on my illustration purposes, hope again no Pablo Weiss there on my seminars. But this is a university graduate, recently came in UAE and started for the job. As us, we started hunting for the jobs. He got a lot of interviews, and here he got selected by the two companies in a different manner. And here is one of the offer letter, which I'm going to read for you, and you need to help me in later. So one offer letter says, "Dear Mr. Pablo, we are pleased to offer in principle the position." I'm not saying anything, I'm saying dash, dash, dash. And the practice, anything, let it be as per the local norms. The job condition remain the same, 8 hours work, blah, blah, blah. We are not talking again on that. What is talking here is, we are giving you basic salary, $10,000, inclusive of all the packages. Just keep it in the mind. Don't forget that, because it is relevant in the next. I'm going to ask you a question. Rather, I have a questionnaire as a poll, yes, no. So keep in the mind, $10,000 on the job offer one. So this is a good job for a Pablo if there is no comparison. But now we have one more comparison here. He got another job offer, and he says almost the same thing what we all working in this country are, plus minus 8 hours work, you have to do, conduct, norms, everything remains same. Where the difference remains is the package and the salary. So this offer letter says, this is, dear Mr. Pablo, we are pleased to offer in principal position, and your salary will be $9,000 plus below benefits. Now please, let's read the benefits first for you to decide what Pablo should be doing. While in working tenure, please listen carefully this one. While in working tenure, if you die for any reason, we will continue paying current salary to your widow. Is that making sense? Anyone?
Yeah, very good.
Okay, if this offer says, if you become critically ill, company will pay you 2 years of salary in advance so that you can rest at home and recover fast. Generally, in a fearful manner, let's say if I'm, God forbidding, getting critically ill, I may hide it because I have a liabilities to the family and I want to run for somehow, So most people do not think about the health concern when money comes in between. So if this offer says 2 years money will be given in advance as a 2 year salary, so that take rest home, job is not lost. It says if you died, all your children will be funded for the higher education if you the way you planned for them. So it means the children education funding remains very important on the package. It also says we will build a home for your family as per your desire. If while working you died with us. And at the last it says, upon successful completion of 15 years of service, assume now we all have an experience of this country working for 10, 15, or we have friends already crossed 15 years. We will award you a USD 200,000 over and above the regular gratuity under pension scheme. So many will not get confused with this pension gratuity schemes. We already get that. But it says over and above, you will also get $200,000. The only difference in this as a money is $9,000 basic salary, and there is 10,000 inclusive of all package. It says 9,000 plus below benefits. So that's kind of job which is happening in the market with us. Trust me. Is that what I said is right or wrong? Yeah. Now we need to help Pablo. Now Pablo is confused what job he should pick up. As an honest human being, as a good friend to Pablo, we must give him a very sincere advice. So everyone is having a choice on my polling list. I will launch this polling, so please tick as you wish and see how you want to help Pablo to sign the contract, whether offer 1 or offer 2. And you need to think, if you get an opportunity about if you get such an opportunity to get that job, is that difficult to decide for you? And the third one is if this was real opportunity, what I'm saying is true, if assumed that for a time being that what I said is true, however it is anyways true for because I've been in the industry, and we fix this. That's what I've been expert in doing the job profiling for the people who were with me for years, and they are happy and they live in the social security. But assumed if this was an offer, first come first basis, would you be the first to grab? And that's where my polling begins. Please, I'm put the poll. So can you see the polling? Can you please answer this? Were people able to vote?
I did so.
Yeah. Can I give 1 more minute so that everyone is done? Yeah, people are still doing it. I hope all are participating into it. I hope.
I have completed because
Yeah, I'm just saying there are still halfway through. If anyone has a doubt, please ask me. We can have a question answer debate on this also, no problem. Anyone needs more time? Or can I end it? Please unmute yourself if someone wants to say something about it. I think it's okay now, right? Anyone? Shyam Sab? Mr. Shyam? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, yes, sir. Actually, here some net disturbance is there, so we could not listen all the stories. It's fine, so you can go ahead.
Oh,
So
okay.
I understand the second thing I didn't. First, I understand is that you got offer later. The second one I could not understand. So it's fine, sir. Okay, you can go ahead.
Yeah, I'll just take it a little bit more. Thank you very much for informing me. So it will take 1 more minute. So it's a good slide to share with you. Be with me. Yeah. So the second offer letter is basically, and first you understood 10,000 USD is being offered to Pablo plus nothing. It's called all inclusive.
Nothing. Yeah. All in all, yeah.
Yes, all in all. The second offer letter says your salary will be $9,000. So he can still feel a difference of $1,000 a month loss. But it says plus below benefits. So now we need to make our decision based on the benefits attached to the basic salary. It says, number one, while in working tenure, if you die for any reason, we will continue paying current salary to your widow. So it means there is no salary income loss. It will be paid to someone in the family. Makes sense, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Second, it says if you become critically ill, which generally 1 in 3 is happening in this country, anyways. Company will pay you 2 years of salary in advance so that you can rest at home and recover fast. It also looks like a very good benefit. So people have peace of mind. So Pablo can have peace of mind that no fear of losing job. It says children's education will be funded if there is a problem. It says if you died, the home will be constructed as per the desire. It says after 15 years of complete servicing with the company, over and above $200,000 will be also rewarded. So it's not only graduate.
I'll go for option 2. Yeah, I'll go for option 2.
Great. So that's what I put it on the poll. So that's what it says. But do you think that this one is really this kind of jobs are available in the market? Let me share the result first. Can you see the results? Yeah, not at all.
Offer, yep. 100% everybody. Yep.
Okay.
It's difficult to get the offer or like letter 2.
It is difficult to get the letter 2. Any question? Anyone also want to comment on this offer letter 2 or 1? If it is possible or real? Now I ask this question based on these two illustrations which I presented. Not take more time, just two big important questions. If it is as I said, and, maybe others also had put on the poll that offer two is good. If you think less 500 from your income, current income, whatever it is 20,000, 5,000, 25,000, 100,000, regardless of it. If you think that 1,000 is minus, it's not yours to plan for your whether we want or we don't want. If you think that if you dare to keep 500 to 1,000 less of your money, as Pablo dared to take that offer to because that 1,000 was less. But how about if we assure you this social security benefits are attached to your job wherever you work globally, this social security system we can always give you as an attachment to the rest of your life. This is again a myth that in the mind of people that it's for the government. Oh, I'm not a government employee, the government employees are better. No, sir. They will force discipline. But now we have no choice to get forced discipline. At least get disciplined. This is what I wanted for people to come and think, sit, decide. I'm specialized in doing job profiling for 20 years, and I'm not kidding. I have 700 job profiles done, including mine. And doesn't matter whether I work here or in any part of the world, I'm happy that we live in this profile. And then we also have our dreams and aspirations on and on. So we can sit one by one and do that. Those who wanted offer to, I'm ready to help them, whether we do business in the future or not. The next step is to think about where are you working, what kind of income you are generating, what are the expenses, what are the important expenses going on, what are the discretionaries, whether happening or not happening. For many people, forget about, there is nothing. People make 20,000, spending is 23,000. I've done a lot of fact finds with the people, so spendings are more than their incomes. So who can solve them? We have tips and ideas. We can really sit and solve your problem, because not on the seminars, that's one-to-one, because personal sittings and confidential informations. So that we do that. We have helped people allocate fund for the security systems. What kind of plans? Because there will be maybe around 3 to 5 big players in the market who are ready or willing to attach social security systems to the employees. But which one to buy? What are the terms and conditions? What are kind of companies and which you should be looking for? These will be the questions for the people who are willing to sit with me during this coming week. However, every new concept and new topics are brought on every Saturday, mostly fixed, and then maybe one on Monday, different. But my presentations will be more focused on investments, about futuristic goals, specific goals, social security systems, and then there are many other products which we can talk later. So a few more questions to be asked, like what is your purpose of wealth accumulation? Why are you after money? What is that you would like to do with the money? Why are you at work? These are the questions which I say I ask people to ask themselves. Ask few more questions like how old are you? How long you can be working for money? What are your immediate financial needs? What are your medium-term needs? And what are your long-term needs? So you should be aware of. We help in our sittings with the people, and we are not too far. I'm happy, glad, thankful to you. You at least give the biggest thing of life, time also we consider as an asset. You dare to listen to me. We keep improving on next presentations. Will be brought more interactive and better concepts. I got around 20 to 25 different concepts to help you to make your decisions right, correct. And you can always reach us through email. I appreciate you follow us on our page, Facebook Advisor UAE. So I'll appreciate, I would like to see all these new names on the page. So that we keep you updating on the industry updates. You can also WhatsApp on the number given. So if any questions, there we can go. If anyone has questions, I'm okay now.
Because hi
Yes.
sir.
Yeah, Mr. Narendra.
When you were talking about this multi-country job social security with your plan,
Yes.
how does the premium say for example, say I start the plan in Dubai,
Yep.
then I shift my work to India and later to another country depending on
Yep.
future, and my plan will still stay on the Dubai one, or should I be updating and the premium will be changing here and there?
Keep changing. It should be keep changing things because maybe the new job is better or maybe less. We have no idea. We don't know future, right? So we have no where are we going and what kind of incomes we are going to make it. So every time, now and then, we sit and analyze your current situation, and your plan remains updated as if it started today. So even 15-year-old plan with me is just like it's just of today's meeting today's criteria. So keep changing. So it cannot be fixed. It should not be fixed. We can
When the plan is changing, and do we see a change in the benefits as well, be it higher or lower?
It depends. Of course, everything can be. We have to review it. Everything can be changed or not to be changed. If my need for the gratuity schemes 15 years before when I opted the plan, had I not changed anything, I would have got maybe $200 as a pension. But I kept changing every year, become $300, $400 pension, $500. So current today, even I'm going with $500 pension scheme, which is also a pro rata basis. Maybe another 5 years it should be active. But maybe after 5 years, it's not even 500, it may be $1,000. I have no idea. So every now and then we sit with the client and talk about their financial needs and how their mind changes. And if it changes towards the benefits, we change the benefits. If it's changing the premium side, we change the premium side. Let's say somebody can't pay for time being, then what? We have to do some arrangements and give them, we offer them the plans which help them in their current circumstances rather than what decided in the past. Am I right, sir? Mr. Narendra?
Yeah, I have understood. Thanks.
Any questions? Any other questions?
Good evening, Vikas sir.
Good evening, Mr. Khan.
How are you?
Very good.
After a long gap, I am going to see you.
Yes.
Looking smart, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, actually, 3-4 days before, I dropped a mail to Exide Life Insurance General Manager in Karnataka, Bangalore.
Yeah.
So what he said me today morning, he sent message through WhatsApp. In fact, I was working with another company. I used to come every week to Dubai from India. He used to come, okay?
Yeah.
And he was doing some other company, which MetLife or something, I don't know. So now he has joined in Exide Life Insurance as a general manager in Bangalore. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So his name is Mr. Santosh. So he told that, in fact, I will give the legal documents and everything, whatever requirement from the government to government, what is the necessary documents.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll provide you. You can start in Dubai also.
Okay.
So I want to know, sir. You have full of experience and everything, because you are the very from so many years you are doing this
Do we?
insurance and everything.
What's the question to me, Mr. Khan?
So if that Mr. Santosh gave me the legal documents, so we can do this Exide Life Insurance policies in Dubai, in UAE.
Well, if they have a license here, they can do it. And
What are the necessary documents required?
Yeah, if you share the document to us on the mails, we will sit down and in personally, because in the webinar I can't help it out.
Yeah, fine. This is a webinar, very good to interact with each other. In COVID 19 also, we are going to see each other.
Thank you,
If you are
Mr.
staying far also, we can speak to each other, correct?
Yeah, thank you
This
very
is
much.
one type of
Please share
very
with
good
me.
opportunity. Yeah?
Please share with me on the email or on a personal chat. We can do that. Any questions, sir? Anyone else?
Fine, fine.
Mr. Krishna is asking. Yeah, Mr. Krishna. Hello, Mr. Krishna there?
Krishna, there is the mute. I think
I already unmute for Krishna. He has to unmute himself.
Mhm.
Mr. Krishna, you asking me something? You want to ask some question?
Krishna, there is the mute, sir.
You have a mute down. I'm trying to unmute you from here, but I think you have to unmute it. Till that time, anyone else, if he has one or two questions? Krishna, are you,
First question.
yes. Mr. Krishna, are you able to find it? The unmute button?
Yeah, left.
Okay, fine. So I assume no questions. And we can move on.
Yeah.
On that, I appreciate if we can book up meetings on the WhatsApp, or you know that where all we have got access to, and I'll be happy and glad to sit with one individual, whether Zoom or maybe any common place. Now I think we are moving slowly towards
Digital.
digital, and maybe slowly we'll move on the meeting side also. When once the coffee shops open, we can sit. Otherwise, Zoom meetings are doing good, not bad. And that's also a focus, one-to-one sitting. You all can sit with your family and one side. Mr. Manu, we can wind up the session.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you, Vikas.
Okay, thank you very much, all of you.
Lovely.
Thank you.
So thank you very much, Vikas sir, all of you.
Bye.